camera inspection on Missouri Avenue. We've got a main plumbing stack here, cast iron. We're going to go down. We've got the bathtub running in the hallway bathroom. Cast iron is always going to have a little bit of rusting, corrosion, so this is pretty typical to see. That's where one of the drains lines up with the other drain. So we're still in the vertical here. We're looking at some of the sludge coming from different bathrooms. And now we're going on the horizontal. Inside of the pipes look pretty crappy. Typical, but crappy. That's rust and scale buildup. You can see the wall of the pipe is getting smaller and smaller because of all the buildup. This looks like a fix. Ugh. Yeah, there's definitely something in the line right there. That looks like roots. I can't push past that right there at 30 feet. Roots, that's going to be a good indication that there's a crack in the pipe. The roots are coming through somewhere. So there's an opening in the pipe, whether it be a connection or a crack in the actual sidewall of the pipe, but the roots are penetrating the pipe and causing that clog. You could get a roto-rooter in to clean all that out and free up this line. Chances are there's going to be some damaged pipe in this area, but that looks like long roots. Pretty bad right there. So definitely recommend getting that cleaned out, if not replaced in that section. I won't be able to get out to the street until that is opened up. So we're going to count back and see how many feet it was from where we went horizontal. So 16 feet is where the pipe goes from vertical to horizontal. So about halfway down is where it turns from horizontal to vertical. So 15 feet down the line. It's likely in the backyard. There's cement slabs in the backyard that it might be underneath. Don't see any water running down yet.